Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the B tag. So what B tag does is give you a bold later of it. So first what you need to do is just I'm gonna type a normal text by with the B paragraph. So this is normal, text. And now what we're gonna do is use the B tag and type, and this is bold tag, bold text I mean. So when you look at it, you will see the bold text is changed. If you want, you can do more bold stuff like use the H1 tag here, and what the H1 here. See, this is not recognizable. That's why I use the only bold normal tracks. So this is what it does. And but in the H2, I think it will be same or not. I don't know. So yeah, only its work is normal text to bold, and these are already bold. That's why it's not gonna work. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.